What's up guys, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from realmattressreviews.com. Today I'm really excited to show you a brand new product. It's the first of its kind that I have seen. It is called the Morphiis Mattress, and what's really unique about this mattress is that it will have inserts that are interchangeable. It'll have soft, medium, and firm inserts, so you can adjust the firmness where your shoulder is, your hip, your lumbar, and your legs, so you're really able to get the mattress to feel exactly how you want and to relieve pressure points as best as it possibly can. So what I'll do first is we'll get it popped open, I'll lay on the mattress for the first time, push on the foams, and then we'll take a quick look at how the inserts work, and I'll open it up and maybe we'll change one or two out before I start my full comprehensive sleep trial on this mattress. But we'll give you a good look at it today, and I'll give you my first impression. Alright guys, I'll go ahead first and we'll get it popped open. Alright guys, we've got it all opened up. So inside the packaging you are going to have obviously the mattress, and then you have a pack of the Morphiis firm inserts, and you have a package of the soft inserts. So these inserts are able to interchange inside each side of the mattress, so you're going to be able to customize, say if you're a couple, one of you likes firmer, one of you likes softer, you're going to be able to do that. And another really cool and very unique thing about this mattress is you're able to customize it in a lot of different ways. So if you are a side sleeper, you would maybe want to put in a soft layer here where your shoulder would be, and a soft piece here where your hip would be. So you're going to have less pressure pushed back up on those areas when you're side sleeping. If you're a stomach sleeper, you might want to put a firm piece either here, maybe two, for stomach sleeping, so that your stomach doesn't sink in so far, and then you will get less lower back arch. So there's a lot of ways to really customize the feel of the mattress and get it exactly how you like it, or like I said, for you couples that like different firmnesses, you're able to achieve that. That's a really nice plus, being that you're not laying on this mattress first. If you're still interested in buying online, you're going to have a little bit less to worry about with this mattress, being able to customize the feel of it once you get it home. A couple other things before I lay on the mattress. It comes with memory foam inserts and polyfoam inserts they call ultra foam. It's going to have very good bounce. The memory foam is going to have good pressure relief. They offer a 100-night sleep trial on this and a 25-year warranty. So what I'll do quick here is we'll get it unzipped to give you guys a look at the inside. I just opened this, and I've had it roll packed for quite a while, which I probably should have opened it a little bit sooner. I can tell there's a couple of these inserts that haven't fully expanded yet. So if you do experience that, you can expect that they will expand out eventually after it's open and allowed to breathe for a little bit. So underneath, when I unzip the cover, you have a built-in layer of foam in the top, so that's going to add a little bit more softness on the very top, and it's going to help block the feel of any of these inserts. If they're shifting around or anything, you're not going to be able to feel the actual insert itself. So as you can see, each piece is removable, and then you could sub in the soft or the firm depending upon your preference, and on each side. So you can see a couple of these haven't fully expanded yet. So when I lay down, we'll lay on this side. It looks like this side's pretty good already. I'm typically a side sleeper, so what I'm going to do is put in a couple soft pieces right here where my hip would be. Then I'm going to do another one up here where my shoulder would be. really unique design. I haven't seen anywhere else. So I'll just lay on here once. So I really can tell where my hip's driving in. It has a lot less pressure pushing up. I can feel the firmer piece here where my side is, and the softer piece up here on my shoulder. So really unique. I'm really excited to actually give this our sleep trial because Kayla typically likes something softer than I do. So it's going to be really nice to kind of dial in each of the feels that we like and then just see how we sleep, see how it performs. I'm going to really pay attention to whether or not you can feel any of the inserts, but I don't think they're going to be able to because they fit in there pretty snug, and then you've got the extra foam that's built into the cover. So overall, a very unique mattress. And ultimately, it doesn't really matter what sleeping position you prefer because you're going to be able to achieve the right feel whether you need something firm, medium, or soft, or a combination of the two or three. So it's a really unique in that way that you're going to be able to have that customization, all for a really great price. So what happens next is we will start our sleep trial on the mattress. I'll try a couple different configurations during the trial so I can report back on all of those. If you're not quite sure this is the right mattress for you right now, please head back to realmattressreviews.com. We have tons of other great reviews as well as coupons if you decide to give any of these mattresses a try. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.